Hello guys, welcome to Tutorly. So, in today's video, I'm going to show you exactly how to create a sales page from scratch with GoHighLevel. This is perfect if you want to build a page for selling a product, promoting a service, collecting leads for an offer, or sending traffic from ads, emails, or social media to one focused conversion page. By the end, you'll know exactly where to start, how to spin up a new funnel from a blank canvas, and where to manage the key settings that keep your sales page running smoothly. You'll also understand which tabs matter most, so you don't feel lost when you open your new funnel for the first time. First, go to GoHighLevel and sign in so you land on your dashboard. If you work with multiple accounts or locations, make sure you're in the right one before you begin. Starting in the correct workspace will keep your assets organized and prevent confusion later. This is especially important if you're managing websites or funnels for different clients, brands, or campaigns. On the left-hand sidebar, click Sites. This is the home for anything web-related inside GoHighLevel. From here, you can access the tools used to build websites, funnels, forms, and other page assets connected to your online marketing. From here, click Funnels to open the area dedicated to funnel-based pages. Funnels are perfect for sales pages because they're designed around conversions, allowing you to track performance and optimize step by step. Instead of sending visitors to a full website with many distractions, a funnel helps guide them toward one main action, like buying, booking, registering, or submitting a form. Next, click New Funnel. When the options appear, choose from Blank. Starting from a blank canvas gives you full control over structure and design, which is ideal when you want a true sales page built around your unique offer. This is useful when you already know your headline, offer, sections, testimonials, pricing, and call to action, and you don't want to be limited by a template layout. Type a clear funnel name that describes your product or campaign so it's easy to find later. Keep it simple and specific. Once you've named it, click Create to generate the funnel shell. For example, you could name it something like Summer Coaching Offer, Digital Course Sales Page, or Roofing Quote Campaign, depending on what you're building. Inside your new funnel, click Steps. Think of steps as the backbone of your funnel. This is where your sales page will live, and where you can later add other pages such as an order form, upsell, or thank you page in the sequence you need. A basic sales funnel might start with the sales page, then move to checkout, then a thank you page after purchase. Even if you're just creating a single sales page, visiting steps first helps you visualize the flow and confirm everything is neatly organized. It also helps you think through what should happen after someone clicks your button, submits a form, or completes a purchase. Now click Stats. This tab is your performance dashboard. After your page is live, you'll come here to see views, conversions, and other metrics that show how your page is performing. These numbers help you understand whether people are landing on the page, taking action, or dropping off before they convert. Next, click Sales. This is where revenue and transaction details appear once orders start coming in, making it easy to track results at a glance. If your sales page is connected to an order form or paid offer, this section helps you monitor purchases and understand how your funnel is contributing to revenue. Click Security to review options that protect your funnel. Here, you can manage access controls as needed. This can be useful if you're working on a private funnel, a client project, a members-only offer, or a page you don't want publicly accessible before launch. Then click Events. Events help you monitor key actions and connect your funnel activity to analytics, allowing you to understand what visitors do on your page. This is helpful when you want to track actions like button clicks, form submissions, purchases, or other important conversion moments. Finally, click Settings. This is where you'll handle essentials like the funnel path, domain assignment, and basic SEO details. Give everything a quick review so you're set up for a clean launch. A good setup here helps make sure your page URL looks professional, your domain is connected correctly, and your page has the right basic information before you send traffic to it. That's it. You went from the dashboard to creating a brand new blank funnel and toward the core tabs: Steps, Stats, Sales, Security, Events, and Settings, so you're ready to build and manage your sales page with confidence. From here, you can start designing the actual page sections, adding your offer copy, placing your call to action buttons, and building a sales page that guides visitors toward the next step.